What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you've been following along, you know that we have the Rubicon trip coming up. We are now officially less than 60 days out. And the other day, Courtney asked me a very important question. She said, what are we doing for food? And I said, I don't know. I said, well, Tony from Always Different is loaning us his portable fridge. She said, that's fine. How are we cooking it? And I said, I don't know. I'm thinking bonfire. I'm not quite sure. We'll wing it. But she's not a wing it person, and that's why I love her. She plans things, and I just go with the flow. And usually her plan works out fantastically, and that looks better for me. Anyway, she decided to solve the problem and get me a birthday gift at the same time. That's right, today is my birthday, so make sure to hit the like button. 1 like equals 1 happy birthday, but I'm not going to tell you how old I am. Anyway, this is what she got me. Check this thing out. It is a portable Blackstone. It's a 17-inch single burner. Comes with a toolkit, a carrying bag, a cleaning kit, and she got me some fuel too. So we're gonna get this thing put together, and then I'm gonna use it to cook some hot dogs while she's working. So stay tuned. All right, let's get this thing opened up. Alright, so this is everything that comes in the kit. We have the blacktop itself. You have the main grill portion with the burner already installed. Looks like we got some legs. This is the drip tray attachment. We got the knob, the regulator, and it looks like we have a drip pan with 1 piece of foil in there. And then warranty info, owner's manual, and assembly instructions, and then a sticker. Whoop whoop. All right, so let's get this thing put together. The box says it takes less than 30 minutes, so let's find out. All right, so this is the first step. I guess it's pretty self-explanatory, but you install the knob. All right, step 1 is complete. Step 2 is taking the 4 legs, threading them through the hole, and then attaching the nut on the other side. Next step is taking the hot plate and setting it into the notches. Chassis, just like so. Next step is assembling the grease tray. Just putting these little screws through here. And I do mean little. Not so easy for fat fingers. Just give those a little snugging. Next step is threading the regulator onto our fuel tank. Next, we'll attach to the inlet on the grill itself. Alright, let's give it a quick test fire. Alright, running good. Alright, once you're done and it's cooled down, you can put it back in this carrying bag. You just flip the hot plate side upside down, stick it inside the bag, and zip it up. Should be perfect. Doesn't take up much space. Fits in the trunk of a two-door Bronco perfectly.